Welcome to the Biodiversity Conservation Area. In this area there is a bird sanctuary where many colorful birds can be found around. Keep watching the video to find out more.
Today we plan to visit a bird sanctuary or like Siem Reap diversity, which is that a place people they can go to see the birds and diversity in Siem Reap. Like they will take 20 minutes from Siem Reap city to that place, so tourists can go to see bird and sunset and sunrise, and also they can do camping as well.
Wow.
That beautiful, so tourists is not spend much time to go somewhere else. It's just after Angkor Wat, and then they have a short time like 3 hours for sunset with bird sanctuary. This is a special place for tourists can come and travel in Siem Reap.
Hello. Yeah, finally we have arrived at the starting point of the bird sanctuary. The price, this is the ticket. The price is normally $10, and you pay $12.50 if you want to go by boat. Because my friend Samnang, tour guide, he told them that I'm a YouTuber. They granted me a discount of 50%, and I paid just $5. But it was just a small privilege. So please, this is my ticket. So you are here to coordinate the arrangement, dispatch of the boats.
Yes. So how much boat per boat? តែទុកបានទុកមួយបើខ្មែរអត់ទេបត់ទេម្នាក់$10ម្នាក់$10ទុកមួយទុកមួយ$10ឬក៏ម្នាក់$10បើខ្មែរទុកមួយ50000 Okay, so
$6
no for tourists $10 per person. Take a boat. Yeah, អញ្ចឹងម្នាក់$10ណាបត់ទេបាទ
I think now we are going to the boat. We will be shooting as a perspective photography, and also videography by GoPro camera.
Okay, careful. Take a boat.
Here, I'm able to do something like this. Okay. Wow.
Nice. Okay, careful. Joseph, what are you doing today?
I'm going to record the birds in action. Hopefully we will be catching many colorful birds.
Okay.
And the long beaks.
Okay.
The greatest thing would be to catch some hornbills, if any. All right. Look how many birds are flying around. It's really the bird sanctuary, this. Let's try of not flipping over the boat. And now we are inside the channel stream. And more fish, more birds will be around. Okay, fine. The kingdom of the birds is here.
Bye bye.
They are similar to the swans. And here we are finally in the islands, and these islands people comes to camping.
Yeah, we
what's the
also
story?
can do camping, but actually, not really to camping here. But it's just special time. You can negotiate with guy who are crown operation here, and if you wish to come for island, so that's not officially that use this one for camping, but just option and alternative. That if you wish one lifetime experience camping a small island with diversity and bird sanctuary, you can come here. But you're not gonna be kill any bird or any fish. You just come to relax and see how beautiful life, natural life, and diversity in Siem Reap. So I will do as one.
Let's explore in a bit in depth. All right, let's go to the bridge.
I like this bridge. You know, when I come here, I'm very relaxed. When you come here, you feel like you peaceful. You live with the nature. You adapt yourself to the nature to make your life more comfort, more feel fresh. You don't think any much of the money. You don't think much of the any problem. You just think about natural.
So it's a good idea to bring a girlfriend here and have a mindfulness time all together. There is a spirit house.
Yeah, spirit house.
Can you tell us more about this spirit house?
Okay, spirit house is very important for Cambodian. Spirit house also, which is the place for local people. They come for worship, to asking happiness, protection, and good luck for them. So every in front of the Cambodian house, normally they have a small spirit house in front of the house, so that we believe in animation religion, which is like natural and spiritual, earth, water, forest, and air.
Oh.
So we still believe on that. So this is a very our culture.
And here opposite us, opposite me, there is a floating house. Probably some fishermen are staying there. We have completed our tour around, and this is it about this spot. You can come here for camping, for meditating, slowing down with your life, enjoy some time a picnic with your friends, but be respectful about the environment. You are not supposed to kill any birds, any animals. Let's leave them in peace. And that being said, if you like watching this video, thumbs up. See you in the next video.